I did a video not too long ago on with a character juggling, and I've been asked to show how I did it. So what I'm going to do is talk you through the workflow that I've used to create this animation. It's there's a lot of ways that you could do this. I've done this with constraints and locators, and there are no keyframes on the character. Before I would create any animation, I would have a look at some reference footage, sequences from YouTube showing someone juggling. And juggling tends to kind of do the same thing. Hands go around in a big loop, and the balls make a big figure eight. There's a few examples of this that are, going to demonstrate what's going on. The more reference you have, the easier, the better it is. But as I say, it's pretty much the same kind of thing. Hands kind of tend to follow that movement, and the balls tend to make a big figure eight. We've got that going on in here as well. Everyone has a slightly different style with this, but the method is pretty much the same. Height of the ball is going to change a little, movement of the hands is going to change a little, but it's pretty much the same kind of thing. Big loop and figure eight for the balls. The hands come down around the outside, throw and catch on the inside, and they come up and around. There's the big figure eight. So I'm going to show you how I did this. First thing I'm going to do in Maya is animate the hands to do the loop movement, and then I'm going to move the juggling balls. And one of the good things about the method that I'm going to show is that you can adjust the position of the hands and how high the balls are thrown, the placement of the balls when they're thrown, and it will always land in the hands regardless of how you move the hands in the ball. And the good thing about it is, again, is that you can have some random variation across the hands and the thrown of the ball, and that will help to make the whole thing a little more natural, a little more organic. And also there is 0 keyframes on this character. It's all done with constraints. The constraints let you attach the ball to the hand when it's catching and release the ball when it's thrown, and the ball will always stay with the hands. And it's going to be done by turning on and off the weight of the constraints. So I'm going to set this up from scratch in the next video, and I'll see you then.